Ever gazed at a comet streaking across the night sky and wondered about its magnificent, glowing tail? Why do these icy wanderers display such spectacular appendages? Today, we're diving deep into the cosmic mechanics that create these ethereal streamers. It's all about a comet's icy core and the mighty power of our sun. A comet is essentially a dirty snowball, a mixture of ice, dust, and rock. As it approaches the sun, its surface warms dramatically. This heat causes ice to transform directly into gas, called sublimation, forming a hazy cloud, the coma. This escaping gas and dust create the conditions for a tail. From this coma, two distinct tails emerge, each formed by different forces. The dust tail, of particles, is pushed away by sunlight's pressure. It often appears broad, curved, trailing the comet's orbit. The ion, or gas, tail, made of ionized gas, is dramatically pushed by the solar wind. This tail is usually straighter, bluer, and always points directly away from the sun. These tails can stretch for millions of miles, making comets some of the largest objects. Comet Hale-Bopp, for instance, boasted a dust tail spanning over 20 million miles and an ion tail even longer. Importantly, a comet's tail doesn't necessarily trail behind it. It's always oriented away from the sun, sometimes flying tail first. So, those breathtaking comet tails are the sun's energy sculpting ice and dust into magnificent cosmic streamers. A dynamic reminder of the powerful processes at play in our solar system. If you found this cosmic explanation enlightening, hit that like button, share your thoughts, and subscribe for more space wonders.